Steve go. Tyler go.
Sweet.
Uh-oh.
Steve, I'll push me.
Go over, Mike. Alright, I'll get the head of it.
Going hard right.
I thought our stock short courses were being charged up.
Mine's dark.
Yeah. Sounds like everybody's pretty good. If our stock SCs are charged up, I'm going to post the names. I'm going to set the names up immediately and just go right into the names. See if we can get some racing done. Alright, Riz, Steve, Rick, and Tyler.
Rick got trucked right off. Oh, nuts. Do what?
Rick's going a little restrained. He probably could have hit that hook in the fence.
Rick got trucked off. See what they are. Pulling hard left. I don't have to turn the wheel to make a left turn.
I don't know how. Riz, did you turn like 3 donuts over the line?
Yeah, no. Not over the line.
How in the world? This has got you on a 15-lap pace.
Well, you know.
4 minutes left.
And Rick's on a 10-lap pace. You guys need to pick it up a little bit. Rick's going to lap you 5 times.
That's not true, but I'm winning.
Oh man, you're down to a 12-lap pace. Riz, you lost 2 laps.
Well, I sucked that lap. Oh. I gave it to you, Steve-O.
Let's back to the trailer. That leaves Riz, Steve, and Tyler.
3 minutes left.
Riz, Steve, all he wants is that little baby truggy. Tyler using all the berm and ends up on his feet.
Oh, mine didn't roll nearly as neat as yours. Oh, that wasn't bad. Steve-O, screw up, I want to catch you.
Here we go. Here's Steve and Tyler. Trying to get my timing down with that truck pretty well.